Hello and welcome to another video in MKT's E-DUCT-cational video series. Today we will be discussing the 3 benefits of MIRO's non-penetrating rooftop supports. When utilizing the roof for duct, piping, or mechanical systems, it's important to understand that all supports are not created equal. The first benefit of MIRO's non-penetrating rooftop supports is the labor savings. When installing duct, MIRO's supports can be easily aligned for the duct run as well as adjustments after the initial install. Along with allowing for easy adjustment, non-penetrating supports eliminate the need for flashing in and re-roofing. The second benefit of MIRO's non-penetrating supports is the reduced pressure and strain on the building envelope. Over time, weight and temperature fluctuation can cause damage to the roof if the supports are rigid. MIRO's supports adapt to the shifts and conform to the system's new state. The third benefit is the MIRO advantage. MIRO's engineered systems allow for even weight distribution as well as climbing consideration to ensure the strength and longevity of your system. Along with an engineered system, you can also feel secure with the MIRO 20-year warranty, the longest warranty in the industry. Make sure your projects have a great support system with MKT and MIRO. Thank you for watching.